Hey everyone, this is Mike with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we got a video for you. We're all about information, and today is our first cruise with Carnival since they've went into place this thing called Stockperks. So in the past, you used to email Carnival Corporation and you gave them your booking number, and then you sent in all the stock information you had from whomever you purchased the stock through, and they gave you onboard credit. They sent you an email back, and then they went behind the scenes in your booking number, and they gave you the credit back to your onboard credit on the ship that you were going on. Well, now they kind of do the same thing, but it's through a program called Stockperk. But I do want to show you a little bit of information ahead of time, and then I screen recorded the process that I went through. Really easy process, took about 10 minutes. And it says now it's 14 days in advance. I'm about 16 days out, and I've already got an email back saying it was credited, believe it or not, within the same day. Now, that's probably not that quick normally, but it just so happened to hit this time that it was. Our sailing is less than 6 days, so it was only $50 onboard credit. But let's go through this and show you what this is. Again, this is for CCL, Carnival Cruise Line, and that covers all the cruise line ships that they own. Let me share the screen with you and show you what the benefits are currently with Carnival Cruise Line, and then I'll show you the Stockperk app and how you go through the process of uploading or connecting your information. All right, so what you'll see here is this Carnival Corporation PLC is pleased to extend the following benefit to our shareholders. So here in North America, you have Carnival Cruise Line, Princess Cruises, Holland American, Seabourn, Cunard, and Costa Cruises. So if it's a 14 or day or longer cruise, it's $250 here in the US. If it's 7 to 13 days, it's $100 onboard credit, and if it's 6 days or less, it's $50, which that's what we're going on. We're going on the Carnival Sunshine out of Charleston, South Carolina. So yeah, that's $50 onboard credit. We bought this stock. It's worked out for us. I don't want to give you advice on buying stock, but we bought it during the pandemic when it dropped down to like $6.80. Bought 100 shares of it. It's more than paid off for us because we usually go on anywhere from 2 to 3, 4 cruises a year, and mostly Carnival Cruise Line. So we've gotten usually $50 to $100 every time back for 3 or 4 cruises a year. So it's more than paid for. You know, we've probably broken even for what we paid for and bought it as of right now, but that may be different for you. So I'm not giving you tips on buying stock right now. So that's, the cruise lines and what it goes for. Also, it says down here, the benefit is available for shareholders holding a minimum of 100 shares of Carnival Corporation stock. Employees, travel agents, cruising travel agents rates are interline rates. Tour conductors, anyone else cruising at a reduced rate or complimentary basis are excluded from this offer. So down here at the bottom, it also tells you a little bit of how to do this, but we're going to show you step by step in this video with a screen recording of how to do it on our iPhone here. But it says download the app via the link below, Stockperks in your app store. Once you download this, create the Stockperk user profile, then search for Carnival in the app and select the cruise line you're traveling with. Click the blue button, validate your portfolio, and you'll be guided through the process of providing your CCL ownership details. Once confirmed, you can then submit a claim for each eligible booking. Please note that onboard credits cannot be processed on board your cruise. Please ensure all stockholder benefits claims are submitted at least 3 weeks before your departure through Stockperks. On their on the display that I'm going to show you, it says 2 weeks. I'm 16 days out, and then I got mine back already. So I'm not saying you would. So definitely go by what they say, 3 to 4 weeks in advance. And then that's it. You redeem your perk. So now I'm going to upload the video, and let's take a look and see what it looks like. And it's a very easy process. It only took me about 10 minutes. And that was also validating the Charles Schwab is who I got my stock through. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So you will want to go to your app store on your phone. You have an Apple iPhone or Android device, and then you'll download this Stockperk app. This is the only way you're going to be able to upload the information from your stock. As you can see, there's many other companies on here that Stockperks is working with. Carnival is just one of the many companies. Once we get to the top here, you'll see Carnival Corp and PLC. You can click on this and it will give you all the other companies within the Carnival Corporation. You got Costa Cruises, Carnival, Ada, Holland, Princess, but you'll pick the cruise line that you're going to cruise with. And then you'll also pick the eligibility. You click on it, and then you'll also pick your actual cruise date and put in your booking number. And then we'll go from there. So I've seen this part change over the last 6 months with other channels that have posted videos on this. So once you log in with your booking number, it wants to confirm your broker with the Perks program. So you get to pick between manual or automatic. Normally you want to do automatic. You can't do Fidelity that way if you got Fidelity. I so happen to have Charles Schwab. You'll use the Plaid program, which is a very honorable company. Here you'll put in your telephone number. I'm not going to show you that. Again, I picked Charles Schwab, so I just selected it. You can also search the company maybe you have. Now, when using Charles Schwab, I had to log in on my phone through them and also on another computer login so that it knew I was coming in a separate account. Now, once I got logged in, it registered on my phone and through the Perks app that I was good to go. So here you can see, confirm you're traveling as a cruise line. I said yes. It authorized it as a third party. And then I went back in and put all my booking number information again. And I was eligible for all the Carnival Cruise Line, like Princess and Costa and all the other ones as well. So it was a little bit different from what I've seen with other ones. I logged in originally and then I had to log in again a second time with the booking number and the date I was selling. Don't know if you have to do that every time going forward. This was the first time I had tried it. But hopefully once you register it the first time, you don't have to do this going forward. If you know the answer to that, please answer and comment and let us know if you do, if you've done it multiple times going forward. I don't think you have to going forward because it's already connected now with my Charles Schwab account. So I don't think you would have to do that going forward. But if you do know that answer, let us know. So, hey, I just want to thank you guys for watching this quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Also join us at Lovey's Fat Life. We do a lot of cruising and traveling, mostly with Carnival, but we are venturing out some other cruise lines. We've tried Celebrity. We also got Princess in the future, and we're trying to get on a Royal ship if we can ever afford their ships. Definitely want to try out Royal in the future as well. But Lovey's Fat Life, we're your food and travel channel, and we try to give you information along the way. Thank you, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and join us on Facebook as well at Lovey's Fat Life. Thank you.